Hey guys, how's it going? So in this small video, I'm going to convince you guys to use zero point 0.5 pixel border instead of the 1 pixel border that we usually use. Okay, so why am I saying this? So here in this dashboard, we have a 1 pixel border everywhere for the selector screen, for the notification, for all the cards over here. In the input box, everything has 1 pixel, and with the slate 200 as the grayscale. So this looks good, it's fine. But in like high density screens like a retina screen, max screen, it looks a bit muddy, I think, because it's very dense in high retina screens. It looks very dense, and it doesn't give off the premium look and feel. In most of the Mac native apps right now, they use 0 0.5 pixels border, otherwise called hairline border, and that's because this 1 pixel border gets too much most of the time. So we can change it to 0.5 pixels, and it will look way better. Let me show you. Okay, here, this is everything has 0 0.5 pixels right now. So you can see, if you select this input bar, 0 0.5 pixels, and all the borders are in grayscale 300. So it's a little darker, it has much more contrast, and it blends well. It doesn't look muddy. It's very very sharp, and when you're viewing the whole screen, every all the lines look sharp, contrast to this. So you can see it looks a little bit muddy, right? When you come here, all the lines are sharp. It's easy to do, in code or in Figma, right? You can just select something and change it to 0 0.5 pixels, and especially in the retina screens, it looks much better. It doesn't come off as good in Windows laptop and things like that, but so for newer projects, I'll recommend you to use 0 0.5 pixels border with a little more contrast, little more darker gray, so that the line is there, and it looks better. It blends well with the background. Or you can also go full black and reduce the opacity of the borders. So something like I'll go black and I'll add 15 pixels. So this even blends with the background, right? So when you have like full grayed out interface, this looks even better. I'll just change it back right now. Okay. So yeah. So I hope you try 0.5 pixels in all your borders, and I promise you it will look great.